My name is Azara, work from home specialist, side hustle and gig economy enthusiast. All the jobs I speak about on this channel either offer you time freedom, location freedom, or you have the ability to work from home. God said faith without works is dead, so if you have the faith, I'll help you find the work. Family, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about 4 jobs that are hiring work from home agents right now, fresh off the press. Apply fast because these jobs go quick. And also, I offer you a bit of a word of encouragement. If you find any of the information helpful, please be sure to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Today's word of encouragement comes from Proverbs 3:5-6. All right. It says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not onto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your path straight. Family, you have to trust God in the process of finding a job. I know when you're looking for a job, you may feel uncertain, unstable, and unsure of yourself, but trust God. He is going to help you through this. Do not get lost in confusion. Do not become stagnant. Just get out there, put your resume in, and go get that job. All right, family, 4 jobs today that are hiring right now. All right, so the first job I'm going to tell you about is from a company called Taproot. All right, it's part of the Taproot Foundation. This is a nonprofit organization. They pretty much have people come on their platform and offer expert advice for free. So what they are hiring for is a customer support representative to manage the Taproot Plus help desk. Okay. You're going to receive daily communication from users. You're going to provide customer support to nonprofits or on a nonprofit platform. What I love about this position is that they say that you're going to be providing most of your technical support, customer support, answering questions, and all of that via email. So that means you do not have to be on the phone all day. That doesn't mean you have to instantly apply to a chat. It says that mostly you're going to be doing it via email. I love these type of work from home positions. So 90% of the time, you're going to just be replying back to people via email. All right. What they're looking for is they want you to have at least 1 year experience in customer service, but it does not have to be in a call center. So any type of customer service you've ever done, if you've done it for at least 1 year, whether it's in a call center or at a retail store, you can apply for this job. Also, they want you to have a high school diploma, excellent oral and written communication skills, and you have to identify and correct problems. All right. How to apply now. One of the things that I hate about looking for jobs is the application process. Some companies are super complicated, okay? But this is not one of them. This is a easy apply position. So how you're going to apply for this position is you're just going to go click on the link. You're going to enter your name, phone number, and email address, upload your resume, and hit submit. That's it. Super easy. All right, the next job I'm going to tell you about is from a company called Cognosante. They are hiring for a data processing customer service representative. This is a full-time position. On Glassdoor, they said the pay for this position is about $15 to $16 an hour. With this position, you're pretty much going to be assisting people who are applying for loans. As you know, right now, lots of people are applying for loans for small businesses, and this company is one of the companies that are processing loans right now. All right. They want you to be able to demonstrate excellent customer service and communication skills. You're going to collect all the necessary information to complete the application. You're going to educate the clients on the rules, and you're going to navigate multiple computer systems and programs. All right. Some of the requirements for this position is you got to have data entry experience, customer service experience, and a good understanding of Microsoft Word. So, good position to apply for. $15 to $16 an hour. That is pretty good. The next position I'm going to tell you about is a company called Conduent. They are hiring for a customer experience associate, full time. All right. But this is a temporary position. Okay. So you can work for this job for up to 6 months. And it could go longer, but pretty much they just say that it's going to be up to 6 months, depending on the needs of the client. You're going to execute routine inbound and outbound calls. You're going to provide customer with appropriate information, and you need to be able to understand when you need to escalate a call to the next level. Okay. Those are the main things you'll be responsible for with this position. Conduent offers solutions and services to make businesses more efficient. They work out the workflow of a company. So that is what they do. All right. The next position and the last position I'm going to tell you about today is coming from a company we all know, Amazon. Amazon is hiring what they call DLS case managers. This is a human resources position. So if you have human resource experience, this will be a perfect position for you. This is a remote work from home position. What you're going to be doing with this position is you're going to initiate and respond to inquiries about leave, disability events, benefits, and options available to employees. Okay, so if you worked in human resources before, this is very typical of a human resources position. You're going to serve as a point of contact for an assigned number of employees, anywhere from 150 to 200 employees. You're going to identify and solve problems that arise, sometimes with limited information. So you're going to have to be really keen on the problem solving skills. All right. For this position, they want you to have at least 2 years experience in case management, using case management systems to review the cases. If you do not have the customer service experience, you need to have at least 6 years of experience if you don't have a bachelor's degree. So let me clarify what I said. So this is a job that requires a bachelor's degree. If you have a bachelor's degree, you need to have at least 2 years of experience in case management. If you do not have a bachelor's degree, that's okay. You can still apply, but you need to be up on your experience. They want you to have at least 6 years of experience. That's really it. This job is a complicated appliance. Like I said, you're going to actually have to create a job profile on Amazon Jobs, and then you can go through all the prompts and apply for this position. All right, family, those are all the positions I have for today. As always, my best life and work advice is to acknowledge God in all you do, and He will help you. If God says yes, no one on earth can say no. Now you go get that job. Bye, family.